Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the transport systems in plants. Before we start our lesson, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos to receive. Plants require a transport system to deliver raw materials for photosynthesis to the leaves and to deliver sugar made to other parts of the plant for usage or storage. The transport system in plants consists of bundles of tubes in the stem, branches and roots. These tubes are called xylem and phloem. The main function of the xylem is to transport water and dissolved material from the roots to the rest of the plant body, while phloem carries the sugar to the that's in the leaves to all parts of the plant. Okay. So now we have we know that the transport systems in the plant are the xylem and the phloem. Let's look at this picture here. Here, this is these are the roots. Okay, here the water is absorbed by the roots and then it's carried by the xylem tissue, carries the water and dissolved materials, minerals up to the up from the root to all parts of the plants. Okay, and this is the phloem tissue, which carries the food down from the leaves to the root, and here to also it goes upwards where to all parts of the plants. Okay, here this is the main this is we call it the main or the kitchen of the plant, which is the leaves, where photosynthesis takes place. Okay, evaporation of water from the leaves takes place here. Plants do need a transport system to move food, water and minerals around. They use two different systems. Xylem moves water and solutes from the roots to the leaves, and phloem moves food substance from the leaves to the rest of the plant. Okay, we're going to talk here about the xylem in details now. About the xylem, it transports water and minerals from the roots up the plant stem and into the leaves. In plants, most of the cells that make up the xylem are specialized cells called vessels. These vessels, they lose their end walls to the xylem and forms a continuous hollow tube. This allows water to flow easily and becomes strengthened by a chemical called lignin. These cells are no longer alive. The lignin gives strength and support to the vessels. Transport in the xylem is a physical process. It does not require energy. So now we talked about the xylem and how does it look like and what it's made of. Here we can see here this is the xylem, and these are the walls are thickened by lignin. Okay, this is the xylem, which carries the water and minerals, and this is the phloem, which carries the sugar or the food of the plants. Okay, to all body parts of the plants. Phloem. Let's talk in details what is phloem. Phloem moves sugar that the plant has produced by photosynthesis to where it is needed for certain processes, such as growing parts of the plant for immediate usage, storage organs such as bulbs and tubers, developing seeds, respiration. Transport in the phloem is therefore both up and down stem. The transport of substances in the phloem is called translocation. Phloem consists of living cells. These cells that make up the phloem are adapted to their function. So we're going to talk about now the function of these cells. Okay, and what are they made of? Cells that make up the phloem are adapted to their function. So CV tubes specialized for transport and have no nuclei. Each CV tube has a perforated end, so its cytoplasm connects one cell to the next. Companion cells are transport of substances in the phloem and requires energy. One or more companion cells attached to each CV tube provide this energy. A CV tube is completely dependent on its companion cells. The difference between xylem and phloem. The xylem is the physical process and the phloem is a required energy. It requires energy. Substance transported water and minerals here in the phloem, sugar and amino acids. The direction of transport upwards, here the direction of fluid upwards and downwards. Okay, plant organization. We said that the phloem and the xylem are distributed differently in the roots and stems. In the root, the xylem forms a central column forming a solid support, and the phloem is towards the center, outside the xylem. In the stem, the transport tissues of xylem and the phloem are grouped into vascular bundles. Let's see here, this is a nice diagram. Here we have vascular tissue is composed of xylem and fluid. We said this xylem carries the water and minerals from the soil to all parts of the plant, and the phloem carries the food made by the plant in the leaves, from the leaves to all parts of the plant. So here we have this is the stem, how does it look like, and this is the roots, okay, and these are the vascular tissues here, okay, and here this is in the stem, and this is how does it look like in the root, vascular tissue system, okay. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you have any questions, please write them down. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for now. Bye.